Hey guys, we're live at 7:03 in the morning, and we're running a mini for the 21 back Vader partial card and a few other goodies. Top 4 win spots in the main on this one. I'm going to paste our list of 15 spots over here at random, and roll the dice to see how many rounds we're going to go. Gotta get at least a 5. We got a 12. We're gold. Here we go. I'm going to rip right through this. I got to go to work, but it looks like this got missed. Ron, round 1 and 2 and 3. Jeff takes 4. Michael 5 and 6. Ron takes 7. Steve 8. Jeff 9. Ron 10. Michael in the top spot for round 11 with number 1. And our winners are Steve, Troy, and Steve. Steve and Troy. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification. TRRWQU. There you have it. I am done. It's 7:04. There it is. There's our winners. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Thanks.